Hello buddies, let's learn how to optimize battery life on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max on iOS 18. Well, for that, we just need to follow some of the steps to do that. First is adjust screen brightness. For that, first you need to go to settings, click on battery, or you can use the low power mode. Otherwise you can go to settings, accessibility, display and text size, or you can directly go to display and brightness and adjust the brightness. I have given you 3 of the options to just adjust screen brightness, so you can follow any of the step. Next is enable low power mode. For that you need to go to settings, as this is the interface, click on battery, and on the second option at the top you can see low power mode. Make sure to enable it to save the batteries. Number 3 is manage background app refresh. For that you need to go to settings, click on general and scroll down, and you can see there is an option of background app refresh. So simply click on that and make sure that is enabled. As you can see, this is the general interface. You can search for, as you can see under the autofill and password, there is background app refresh. Click on that. Actually, we are using low power mode. That's why it is right now off. So if whenever you disable the battery low power mode, then it will automatically be enabled and give you so many of the solutions related to that. Next is limit location services. For that, as we are already in the interface of settings, then go to privacy and security. Go to the main interface, click on privacy and security, and then click on location services, and make sure that you can just enable or disable some of these, or you can just disable this location mode, turn off it for some time and solve your problem. Moving ahead, optimize push notifications. As you can see, review which apps send notifications. For that, go to settings. Then click on notifications option. Or you can also search it from the top. Click right now notifications. As you can see in the red icon, there is notification option available. Click on that and check for which apps are actually sending you the notifications. Or you can also change the display as count, dark, or the list of that. These are the apps which are actually giving you or sending you the notifications. You can off it, enable it, or just turn it off. Moving ahead to the next option, that is reduce motion and visual effects. For that, go to settings. As you can see, we are at the main interface. Then click on accessibility. And then click on motion. And at the top you can see reduce motion. Simply enable that. Make sure that button is in green option so that you can reduce the motions and control the battery life. Next is display unused features. Well, turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and AirDrop when not in use. You can access these options quickly through the control center, or you can slide it down from the right side of your screen and you can turn off all the things. And you can use it whenever you want it. Next is check battery health. Make sure your iPhone have that good battery health. For that, go to settings, click on battery. Click on battery health and charging, and you can see maximum capacity for this is 100%. Make sure your phone also have that 100% battery capacity in that. Next is use Wi-Fi when possible. Wi-Fi consumes less battery than cellular data. Connect to Wi-Fi networks whenever available. Next is update apps in iOS. Make sure you're using the updated version. For that, go to settings, general, software update and update it. And also update all the apps. For that, go to app stores, click on profile icon and Scroll down if there is any update available, do this updated. Otherwise, you can see recently updated option. These all apps are recently updated and fully updated. As you can see, there is no showing off that. It means you are using all the apps updated and good. Moving ahead, limit live wallpapers and widgets. Well, use static wallpapers and limit widgets onto your home screen as they can consume more battery. So make sure you can use the less widgets and just try to avoid those live wallpapers.